1987 Buick Grand National. The paint has opportunity. I will call it 3 or 4 foot paint, but overall in great shape. She just has her minor blemishes and imperfections. And on the top, that's where most of it's at. More than likely could be buffed out. Great driver quality condition. You don't have to worry about scratching the paint or the kids or anything. Just get in and drive. And she still looks beautiful. Don't forget, here at Rolling Museums, your dream car is one call away. Driver side, frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she's very solid. Just has minor surface. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She has power windows, power locks. Upper dash is in great shape. Lower dash. Bucket seats, console. She has the infamous black and gray cloth velour seats. Headliner good. Package tray nice and clean. Deck lid is in excellent shape. She has the factory RPO code sticker. I'll try to get in there and pause it so y'all guys can check it out. But if you're looking for a Grand National, this is the one, guys. Trunk nice and clean. Engine is nice and clean. She has the turbocharged Buick 3.8 liter V6. Look like she has hydro boost brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. She has all the goodies. Let's start her up. She has the boost gauge. She running good, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out on this one, guys. Life too short to be driving boring cars. Y'all have a good one.